Om Swastiastu! Hello, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make Balinese chili sauce. This sauce we normally use with grilled seafood and grilled fish, or you can also add in boiled egg or fried chicken. So here I have garlic, big red chili, bird eye chili, tomatoes, kaffir lime fruit, kaffir lime leaf, salt, sugar, coconut oil, and shrimp paste. And here I have some garlic that I prepared earlier, and we're going to boil all the ingredients except the tomatoes. Now I'm going to boil the water. While we're waiting the water boil, and we're going to prepare the chili, I'm using 2 big red chili and 5 bird eye chili. We're going to remove the seed. We're going to divide it big red chili to 4 pieces. The water is ready. Add the bird eye chili, big red chili, and garlic until the garlic is slightly soft. While everything is boiling, we are going to slice the tomato. So by the time they are ready, and they just go to the blender. We're going to check the garlic. I think it's soft enough now. You can see it's easy to cut, and now it's ready. Turn off the gas and dry it. Now I'm going to add to the blender. Add the tomato, and I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Blend it until really fine. Ready? I'm going to cook it on the low heat, and we're going to add a little bit of water from the water that we used to boil the chili and garlic earlier, and just add to the chili sauce. Stir it gently. Add 3 kaffir lime leaf. And add half tablespoon of sugar. I use white sugar. And half teaspoon of salt. And a 1/4 teaspoon of shrimp paste. Stir it well. Smells so good already. Now it's cooked. Turn off the gas. And I'm going to add half kaffir lime fruit. And it's done. Here we are, Balinese chili sauce. Thank you very much for watching. Please let me know how your food tastes, and see you next time. Matur Suksma!